Every year, thousands of U.S. startups fall victim to cyber attacks they never expected. Most founders believe hackers only target big corporations, but in reality, startups are often easier targets. One weak security decision can destroy years of hard work. A single data breach can scare away investors instantly. Customers lose trust the moment their data feels unsafe. Legal penalties and compliance fines can cripple a young company, and reputation damage spreads faster than any marketing campaign. The worst part is that most of these attacks are preventable. Today, we'll break down the biggest cybersecurity mistakes U.S. startups make and how to avoid them. The first major mistake U.S. startups make is using weak or predictable passwords. Founders often reuse the same password across multiple platforms. This creates a domino effect if just one account gets compromised. Hackers use automated tools that can guess weak passwords in seconds. Another mistake is giving too many employees full admin access. Not every team member needs access to sensitive financial or customer data. Without proper access control, internal mistakes can become major breaches. Startups also ignore multi-factor authentication because it feels inconvenient. But enabling two-factor authentication instantly blocks many common attacks. Strong passwords, password managers, and strict access rules are the foundation of startup cybersecurity. The second critical mistake U.S. startups make is ignoring employee cybersecurity training. Many founders assume hackers only target large corporations, but in reality, small and mid-sized startups are often easier targets. Phishing emails are the most common entry point for cybercriminals. These emails often look legitimate and mimic banks, investors, or internal executives. Without training, employees may click malicious links without hesitation. One single click can install malware or steal login credentials instantly. Startups rarely run simulated phishing tests to prepare their teams. Regular awareness training drastically reduces human error risks. Educating your team turns your employees from weak links into your strongest security defense.
The third major mistake U.S. startups make is neglecting software updates and security patches. Many founders delay updates because they fear downtime or technical complications, but outdated software is one of the easiest doors for hackers to break into. Cybercriminals actively scan the internet for systems running old versions. When a vulnerability is publicly disclosed, attackers move fast to exploit it. If your startup hasn't applied the latest patch, you become an easy target. Even popular platforms like Microsoft and Google release frequent security fixes to block new threats. Ignoring those updates leaves critical security gaps open. Startups should enable automatic updates whenever possible. Staying updated may seem simple, but it can prevent devastating breaches and costly data loss. The fourth major cybersecurity mistake U.S. startups make is weak password policies. Many teams reuse simple passwords across multiple tools and platforms. This creates a domino effect. If one account is breached, others quickly follow. Hackers use automated tools to test stolen passwords on platforms like Amazon, Stripe, and cloud dashboards. Without proper access controls, even junior employees may have unnecessary admin privileges. Too much access increases internal and external security risks. Startups often skip password managers, thinking they're only for large corporations. Strong passwords should be long, unique, and randomly generated. Implementing role-based access control ensures employees only access what they truly need. By strengthening passwords and limiting access, startups dramatically reduce breach risks and financial damage. The fifth and most underestimated cybersecurity mistake U.S. startups make is failing to properly train employees. Even the strongest security systems can fail if employees don't recognize threats. Phishing emails remain one of the most common attack methods targeting U.S. businesses. Hackers often disguise emails to look like trusted companies, such as Microsoft or PayPal. One careless click on a malicious link can compromise the entire startup network. Many employees are unaware of social engineering tactics used in phone calls and messages. Startups rarely conduct simulated phishing tests to measure staff awareness. Regular cybersecurity workshops can significantly reduce human error risks. Clear internal policies help employees know how to report suspicious activity immediately. When employees become the first line of defense, startups dramatically lower their chances of devastating cyber attacks.